Hi, everyone. I just wanted to reach out and give you a quick update about some things coming up in the next few weeks. It's pretty exciting. We're going to be getting some students back here in the building, which I'm super excited about. So next week, I will continue to work with my groups on Monday and Tuesday. So that's my AM kindergartners, my first graders, and my second graders. At our normal times, you just go to my Canvas page and come to my Zoom like usual. Wednesday will be asynchronous, and then Thursday, students will be coming back to the building. If you are choosing to stay virtual, that's fine, and your services will continue. However, I will not be starting those services until the week of the 16th. So I'm hoping next week early on to have a new schedule for my virtual groups all ironed out with the classroom teachers. And I will be emailing my virtual families about that time slot. My in-person friends will see me in the building. Behind my mask, I will be smiling. So please reach out if you have any questions or are worried about a transition. We're all here to support you. I hope everyone has a great weekend. It's going to be beautiful. Get outside and enjoy this great November weather.